Rigitone perforated boards from Rigip's offers a wide range of high-quality, acoustically effective perforated boards. The continuous perforation designs and jointless installation of Rigitone perforated boards make them real eye-catchers, giving rooms a unique character while providing optimum acoustics. We have developed Rigitone Mix Ready Filler to make the installation of Rigitone perforated boards more secure, quicker and more convenient. To prepare the edges, bevel them to an angle of 45 degrees using a hand grinder and then apply Rigitone neutral primer. Mount the first board in the center of the room. Use a fixed edge guide to ensure the first board is properly aligned and fasten it into place using screws inserted at intervals of 170 millimeters. Prepare the edges of all subsequent boards with the hand grinder and Rigitone neutral primer. The subsequent boards should be aligned using the corresponding installation aids for the perforation pattern. Then carry out a visual check of the alignment of the diagonal and straight perforation rows before fastening the boards into place and removing the installation aids. The board should be installed in a star pattern, working outwards from the center of the room, making sure that they are all laid in the same direction. This ensures a perfect jointless appearance. The joints in the perforated panel ceiling are then filled using the Rigitone Mix Ready Filler. Insert the bag containing the Rigitone mix into the pistil and cut off the top. Now screw the specially developed Rigitone fixed joint nozzle tightly onto the Rigip's Ready Mix pistil. The innovative Rigitone fixed joint nozzle was developed specifically for joining Rigitone perforated boards. Its special shape ensures that joints are slightly overfilled. This new technology permits quick, cost-effective work and ensures top quality. Once the Rigitone Mix Ready Filler has begun to harden, remove any excess carefully using the Rigip's scraper and then pass the scraper back over the joint in the other direction to smooth the surface. The joints can be sanded after approximately 12 to 24 hours. Allow sufficient time for the joints to dry fully before carrying out further finishing work. A perfect surface finish, quick and cost-effective, with no need to mix filler material. It couldn't be simpler. Rigitone Mix.